Hello everyone, this is Mahin, your podcast host. Welcome back our Safe Health podcast, episode 23. Today we are going to discuss about a most significant problem in Bangladesh, which is food safety. So let's get started. Now we are looking for the solution from our specialist, Dr. Hafiz. So Dr. Hafiz, could you tell us 5 major solutions to reduce food safety problems in Bangladesh in your perspective?
First of all, thank you for having me here. There are several important solutions to reduce the food safety problems in Bangladesh. But today I am going to give you the 5 major solutions to reduce this thing in Bangladesh. First of all, we need to stop unhygienic food preparation. You know, in Bangladesh, there are many restaurants, hotels, and street food vendors who don't maintain the proper hygiene, and that's why we have to establish grading system, and we have to make it mandatory to publish it publicly. Whenever the people come to restaurants or hotel, they're gonna see that label and they're gonna choose what they're gonna have, and this is the first thing. Secondly, establishing modern testing laboratories. In Bangladesh, there is a lack of adequate modern technologies. There is to detect whether food chemicals or not. So that's why we have to establish modern technology to detect this thing in all major food markets or wholesale hubs and port of the country. And thirdly, if anyone does not maintain the standard level, we have to strict enforcement of laws. You know, in Bangladesh, the food safety law of 2013 exists, but it's on paper. So we have to do it in practice, and we have to impose this law those who adulterated food. And fourthly, besides law enforcement, arranging training for traders and farmers is also important thing, because you know, sometimes due to lack of knowledge and proper training, farmers use excessive pesticides and vendors use harmful preservatives. So government should take a step to give them free learning about this thing. And last but not the least thing is raising public awareness. It's very crucial for to reduce this thing actually, because if you know, whatever you do, if people is unaware, it's not going to happen. So if people become aware, that time problem will be solved within very short times. So in my perspective, these are the 5 solutions. If we can apply, this food safety problem will be solved, inshallah.
Okay, thank you so much.